Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to create AI poster on Capcut using iPhone. The first thing you're going to do is open up your Capcut app. Then you have options at the top, 5 options. Click on AI poster. Then give permission for Capcut to upload your photos to their server. Because to generate posters, photos are then to be uploaded to the server and deleted after the posters have been generated. Click on allow. Now, what type of posters do you want to create? Let's say I want to create this one, product display. I click on it, or I can go for advanced script, but I want the smart script. So the next one, it's product display poster showcases women's jackets. Okay, let's say I have to upload a picture now. I choose a picture I want to upload. I add it. Then the next thing, size is there, category is there, so I can decide to change it to something else. Let's say I decide to choose services, then click on generate. Allow a few seconds for the AI to generate the poster. It's going to show me the options, and so after, it's going to take a few hours. Yes, so you click on the one you want, and as you can see, it says done. Get it before wanted. Convenient services for busy lifestyle. Ensure the safety and security of your home with our advanced security system and monitoring. So you can edit or you can simply export. And that is how to create AI poster using CapCut and your picture on iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.